In this video, I am going to show you how to fix a missing Bluetooth on or off switch in Windows. First method, start by Bluetooth service. Type services in the Windows search bar and open the service app. Scroll down and find the Bluetooth support service. Double-click to open its properties. In the Properties window, change the startup type to Automatic. Click Start to initiate the service if it's not running already. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. For good measure, restart the Bluetooth service to ensure the changes take effect. Second method is to update Bluetooth driver manually. Type Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section to view your Bluetooth devices. Right-click on your Bluetooth device and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your model and click Next. After updating, restart your computer to apply the changes. Third method, update Bluetooth driver automatically. Repeat the steps to open Device Manager and locate your Bluetooth device in method 2. This time, after, right-click on your Bluetooth device, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Follow the prompts to search for updated drivers on Windows Update if necessary, and after you do, complete the process by restarting your computer. The fourth method is to disable and enable Bluetooth device. Open Device Manager again to find your Bluetooth device under the Bluetooth section. Right-click on the device and choose Disable Device. Wait a few moments and then right-click on it again and select Enable Device. Check if the Bluetooth on or off switch has disappeared or reappeared in this functioning correctly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.